Prediction markets like Kalshi are absolutely blowing up for good reason. It is an incredible platform, and if you use it correctly, you will have the chance to make a lot of money from it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Kalshi as a complete beginner, and towards the end, give you a few tips and strategies to use that will hopefully make you successful on Kalshi. Now, if you're new to prediction markets, they basically allow you to bet on literally anything. You can bet on what words Trump says in his speeches. You can bet on what AI model is going to be the most powerful at the end of this week. You can bet on sports, you can bet on politics, the economy, literally anything you want. And Kalshi right now is actually the biggest and most popular prediction market. In January, they did $8.9 billion worth of volume, which is absolutely insane. Now, if you want to sign up, I have managed to get a deal with Kalshi so that when you do sign up with the link down below and deposit your first $10, you will get $20 for free on Kalshi. So if you are interested in signing up, make sure to use that link to claim your free $20 when depositing your first 10. But this is essentially what the platform looks like. So you have the trending page where you can see the most trending markets and the charts, etc. If you, instead of percentage, would like normal sports odds like these, you can do that. Or you can do trader, which shows you in cents. I prefer just having a normal percentage, but you can customize it to your own liking. At the top here, you have the actual markets. Here you can scroll through everything. You can sort it by trending, by volatile, new, closing soon, the markets that have 50-50 odds. You can sort it by volume, etc. And you can filter it to your own liking as well. You then have all of the different niches you can place bets on right here. Kalshi is incredible for sports. It's probably the best sports betting platform in the world right now. You can see all of the live sports right here, and you will probably get the best odds out there on all of your favorite sports, essentially. But then they also have, for example, mention markets. Here you can bet on all sorts of stuff. What will EA say during their next earnings call? What will Trump say during the State of the Union? So this is happening on February 24th, 8 p.m. EST, and you can bet on all of the words that he might or may not say during his speech at State of the Union. So if you have any sort of insider knowledge, if you're very much up to date on the world news and geopolitics, you might actually know kind of what's happening around the world and what he might actually mention. Or if you have just watched loads of Trump speeches before, you might know that he often mentions Sleepy Joe, so you might want to bet yes on this Sleepy Joe. And if I bet, for example, $50 at 38% chance, it means that the potential payout is $126. Now, a space that I really like to bet on is the AI space, because I'm very much trying to keep up to date in the AI world, seeing what's going on, what sort of new models are coming out, etc. For example, this market is one that I wish I would have seen way earlier. This is for the best AI at the end of this month. So this obviously closes in about a week from now. You can see that Claude at the moment is very superior, but if you would have bet on Claude back on like February 6th, for example, it only had like a 7% chance, which means you probably could have gotten like a 13 to 14x potential payout if you would have bet on Claude back then. And I was pretty much only using Claude Opus back in the start of February as well, and that was my favorite model. So if I would have seen this, I would have probably thought that, okay, this is probably a bit mispriced because I am extremely bullish on Anthropic and Claude, and that they probably will have the best AI model. So if I would have placed that bet, obviously it would have been up loads by now. Obviously now the value isn't that great. If you bet $100, you get $105 back, so that's not really worth it in my case. But right here, it's super easy to buy and sell any sort of markets. You can buy either in dollars or in contracts or place limit orders. If you scroll down, you have a bit of information on the specific markets you are looking at. You can see the details for the timeline and the payout and when that will actually happen. So the market itself closes at February 28th at 10 a.m. EST. So whichever model is the best at that time will basically win. If we scroll further down, you can see all sorts of comments on this market that people are talking about. You can see the activity to see exactly what people are buying. You have loads of different purchases in the last hour on this market. So I just really love Kalshi and these prediction markets. I find them so fun. And if you just have any sort of niche that you are passionate and interested about, you can certainly gain an edge over the market. And try to find mispriced bets, because obviously you can sell these at any time as well. You don't have to hold it until the market actually closes. For example, February 10th, if you would have bet on Gemini, you thought that maybe 12% was a bit mispriced for Gemini because you knew that they were about to release a new model, etc. You would have bought it at 12%, and then maybe you would have sold it here on February 19th when their new model released. You could have easily done like a 4 or 5x on this market, even though it didn't actually win at the end. Then at the top of the page, you can also click on live. Here you see all sorts of live sports happening right now. So if you're watching a game live or on the TV live, you can super easily pay attention to how the odds move along the game and place bets in the middle of different rounds. Then they do also have a social feed where you can see exactly what people are talking about. You can follow your friends or your favorite profiles and see exactly what they are betting on and what they are talking about. Now, the good thing about Kalshi is that it's available in over 140 countries versus Polymarket, which is actually restricted in a lot of countries. So chances are you won't be able to use Polymarket, but you can actually use Kalshi, which is the highest volume prediction market and most liquid prediction market at the moment anyway. So that is the one I would actually recommend. Once you first sign up, you can very easily deposit. You can just click add funds. You can either use Google Pay, you can use debit card, you can use crypto or wire transfer. This makes it super easy for anyone to use. I personally like using crypto. You can either connect to any of your existing exchanges or wallets, or just do a manual deposit where you just get an address to deposit to, which is what I personally do. And if you're able to find your little niche where you have an edge over the others, the potential is massive. Like for example, this profile, $136 to 10k PNL in 3 weeks, trading primarily mention markets. But because prediction markets are peer-to-peer and the odds basically just varies based on what people are betting on and there's no actual fixed odds, you can very easily also find incredible arbitrage plays between Kalshi and an actual sportsbook. And this is a super interesting strategy that I've been playing around with and that actually works fairly well. So if you want me to make a separate video on how to actually trade arbitrage on prediction markets like Kalshi, do let me know down below in the comment section and I will try to get that done. But I've just seen loads of people making videos talking about Polymarket, but not that many talking about Kalshi, even though Kalshi is the more popular and widely available prediction market, and it also has a better UI and user experience in my personal opinion. So I just wanted to make a quick tutorial guide how to get started with Kalshi. And like I said, if you do want to check it out, highly recommend you to use the link down below. Help support the channel, but you also get a free $20 when depositing your first $10. And you can super easily start trading prediction markets just like this. If you have any questions at all, do let me know down below in the comment section, or you can ask me in my Telegram. Make sure to like and subscribe for more prediction market videos just like this. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later.